In this video we're going over two techniques that I like to use to write hooks and to write choruses. So if you want to learn how to write better hooks and better choruses, stick around. Okay, technique number one, right? Let's say you've already written out 3 16-bar verses and you want to come up with a hook for these 3 verses, right? What I like to do with this technique is look at what I've written in these 16-bar verses and these verses and look at what the theme is, what's the recurring theme. So let's say I've written 3 16s about schooling MCs, about mic controlling, straight punchlines, straight bars. What might my hook look like for this, right? So let's go to the notepad and see. Right, since I've written 3 16-bar verses about mic controlling, about MCing, I might write a hook just based on that topic. So what could be a good phrase to repeat during this hook? So we could repeat something like take that mic, right? Take that mic, right? So that might be a good phrase to repeat for the whole chorus, right? For the whole hook. So I might say something like, hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Hey rude boy, let me take that mic. So what might be my next line? Well, since my 16-bar verses, since my song is about mic controlling, is about straight bars, schooling MCs, I might put something like break MCs when I take that mic, right? So break MCs when I take that mic. So hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. I might say something like, to keep the rhyme scheme going, I might say something like fake MCs can't take that mic. So fake MCs can't take that mic. Why can't they take that mic? Maybe something like, because I make MCs dissipate on site, right? Because I make MCs dissipate on mic. So hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. Fake MCs can't take that mic because I make MCs dissipate on mic.
Hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. Fake MCs can't take that mic cause I make MCs dissipate on mic. Hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. Fake MCs can't take that mic cause I make MCs dissipate on mic. Hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. Fake MCs can't take that mic cause I make MCs dissipate on mic. Hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. Fake MCs can't take that mic cause I make MCs dissipate on mic.
Right, so as you can see from that little short chorus, I've kept it simple. Only 4 bars that I'm going to repeat twice in the little 8-bar segment you get on the hook. And I made sure to repeat a certain phrase so that it holds the whole chorus together. So take that mic is the phrase that I've chosen to repeat because it matches the whole theme of the song. I've also added little rhymes in between every now and then. So hey rude boy, let me take that mic. Break MCs when I take that mic. Fake MCs can't take that mic because I make MCs dissipate on mic. So I've kept a simple rhyme scheme going. I've kept a phrase in there that I can repeat, and that's made it a bit more catchy. That's made it a bit more easy to understand and follow for anyone listening. Because with the hook, with the chorus, you don't want it to be too complicated. You want it to be something catchy, jumpy, simple that people can follow and vibe to, right? This is actually a chorus I've used before in one of my tracks. I've written this ages ago. I just thought I'll pull it up to use it as an example to let you know some of the techniques I'm using in this so that you can implement them. So again, nice short chorus, catchy, have an element of repeating something in there that keeps the whole theme going, whether you're repeating a certain rhyme scheme, whether you're repeating a certain phrase, whatever it is, right? Something that keeps the theme there, keeps it going. Right, now let's say you haven't written 16 bars yet, you haven't written anything, you want to start with the chorus, you want to just start with the hook, right? This could be a very good way to write a hook, because the hook in many ways can serve as the whole anchor, the whole central theme of a song, can serve as the inspiration for the verses. So let's do that from now. Let's write a hook from scratch that we can later use to inspire us to write 16 bar verses to. Right, so let's do that now. Okay, again, think about what the theme or topic of the track you are gonna write is going to be, because the hook or the chorus is always the central theme, is always the anchor that holds the whole track together, right? So first of all, you want to think of a topic. If you can't think of a topic or anything like that, just think of like the first line or that comes to your head concerning how you feel on this track that you're about to write. So might write something about liars. And if you really can't think of anything, you know, about the whole trick on this channel, it's mind map it. Put the central theme in the middle, mind map it. So liars. Then just go off snakes, two-faced. Just go off brainstorming ideas, branching off ideas from what you've put in the middle. Two-faced, right? Backstabbing. What else? Right, so I've got losers, thieves, two-faced, snakes, haters, backstabbing, bullshit, no backbone, all from just that one word. Now I've got something to work with when I write my chorus. And if you're truly struggling to write your hook, truly struggling to write a chorus, because a lot of it is getting the creative juices flowing, is, you know, feeling the music, always use an instrumental. Put an instrumental in the background, it helps, it makes a big difference, gets you more creative. So I could start off with a simple line in my chorus or hook, something like, I'm sick of these liars, I'm sick of these liars. So yeah, I'm sick of these liars. And then to not write something off topic or go off on a different tangent, always go back to your mind mapping or the main theme. So I've got, I'm sick of these liars. I might put two-faced snakes, I'm tired, right? So two-faced snakes, I'm tired, right? Of all the bullshit. I'm tired of the bullshit and backstabbing. Of the bullshit and backstabbing. So after all the bullshit and backstabbing, I might put pretending they're brave, but you know they're gassing. So pretending they're brave, but you know they're gassing. So that should take up about a quick 5 bars segment, right? So pretending they're brave, but you know they're gassing. Got no fam, so nobody's backing, right? I might put that. Got no fam, so nobody's backing, right? Got no fam, so nobody's backing. So far that's 6. Got no fam, so nobody's backing. And then to finish this little 8-bar hook off, I might put got no spine, no backbone, that's the reason they're chatting, right? So let me try that. Got no spine or backbone, that's the reason they're chatting. I'm sick of these liars, two-faced snakes, I'm tired of all the bullshit and backstabbing, pretending to brave but you know they're gassing. Got no fam so nobody's backing, got no spine, no backbone, that's the reason to chat. That's fair enough. So there you have it. Writing the chorus or hook from scratch is pretty simple. You just follow many of the same techniques that I talked about in the first hook, where you was writing it after you've already written your verses. If you want to write a hook from scratch, always think about what the theme of your hook is, what the topic of your song is, of your 16 bars, what their whole idea is, and keep that as the central theme of the hook. Then always keep your hook nice and simple and easy to understand by following maybe a simple rhyme scheme, a catchy rhyme scheme, and also repetition, using repetition, repeating the theme throughout the hook, repeating a certain phrase throughout the hook, or just repeating the rhyme scheme, whatever it is, right? Keep it the same, keep it anchored, right? Because your chorus and your hook is the anchor of the whole song. It's what keeps the song together. It's what help people know the whole theme of the song. So follow those techniques, follow those tips, and you should be able to write hooks and choruses a lot easier. Well, that is it for the video. If you found it of value, then make sure to share it to someone else so that they can be helped too. Make sure to like it, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because there's more content like this on the way, helping you become a better MC. And if you are subscribed, I just want to say a big thank you before I go. I appreciate that a lot. It helps the channel out. And with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video.